go over that side. I'll lift it up here a bit.
Yeah. What I'm going to have to do, because it looks like it's going to fall off this ball. You clear those pipes now.
Right. Up this end it.
I don't really want this because this is a bit... Do you want it? Yeah.
Just coming down the... I hear it coming down the ramp.
Okay. Oh, that's just straightening out the front, Andy.
Hey?
Right. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. You're off the jack.
Right. So let's lift it up a bit more.
Yeah. Yeah, lovely. Lovely. Yeah, off you go.
I think we'll pull it back a bit.
Nothing. Danny.
Up a bit.
Up a bit, yeah.
Forward a bit.
Yeah, forward a bit. Stamp clearing alright?
Yeah.
Stop.
And steady it.
Yeah.
Up a bit.
Up a bit. Keep going.
Back a bit. Switch it. Hits through. So I'm going to bring it down this way. It's going to suddenly jerk.
Right, what were you on?
Dodgy ground.
Oh, right. Go. Go.
Up a bit.
There's that code.
On your head.
You can take it straight up if you want to.
I'll move it forward a bit first.
Yeah, she can. Whoa, 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 whoa. Take her up. Take her straight up now. Hold on.
Are you going to put it when you got it out?
Find the actress to the bishop. Okay, let's bring it out. A bit more.
Yeah.
Up a bit.
Yeah. Another 4 inches.
We've got to allow for the swing.
Yeah.
Oh, we suddenly sink to the ground and say, oh, that's better. I'm setting the load off my mind.
But we
Right,
thought-
you now clear the main front.
Let's get it back, yeah?
Yeah. Done. Yeah, we're cleared.
Yeehaw!
We're out.
Are you twisting it?
Yeah.
Right.
So when it goes down. Speaker. Really well. Right, really, really slowly.
Make sure it doesn't hit the car.
Right. Go. Oh. Now, what's going to happen? Right, now go down at that. Hold it there.
So sensitive.
Go on. Going down now. Keep going down.
Should we lose the ball out of the way?
No, keep going down. You're alright as you are.
I think if I need the board, something else.
Well, it's up to you. Move it out of the way if you want. Yes, no?
It's not really doing anything there, is it?
Board, no.
So yeah, just move it.